This is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a functionality proof video for a Y sustain board. EBR77185601 from a 60PB6650, which is what this TV is. And we have made many functionality proof videos. In fact, just last week or 2 weeks ago, I've done a functionality proof of these three off boards, the two buffers and this Y sustain, where we had sent by mistake bad buffer board to a customer, and we apologized, and he took them back, but his TV was still not working, so eventually he took them back again, and they're still working, but that's another story. Nevertheless, this is the board that was sent to us. No change was done to it. There was a long note, and we had exchange with the customer, and we told him, because we rarely can identify a particular board, but it just so happened that this one we did, because it did give us some trouble. This is the board. It's working without a problem. Whatever the problem is, it's not into that board. And we told the customer that because we remember testing it, because there was something weird and unusual in it, and that made a note. And because we don't do so many, so despite of our explicit assurance that it does work, the customer decided to send it, and this is their right, unfortunately. So we will just be sending it back. Nothing was done to that board. Whatever it is that is not working, it's not from it. Good luck.